Hello guys, welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. My name is Aiym and today's topic will be devoted to basic grammar rules of the Kyrgyz language. In this video we will learn law of harmony and voiced versus unvoiced consonants. As you may know, there are 36 letters in the Kyrgyz alphabet. Among them, 24 are consonants and 12 are vowels. These 24 consonants are divided into voiced and unvoiced. Voiced means your vocal cords vibrate to make the sound. Unvoiced means they do not. You can put your fingers on your throat and feel the difference while pronouncing beer and peer. Please have a look at the table with voiced and unvoiced consonants. Voiced consonants are B, V, G, D, Ž, Z, L, M, N, Ng, R, Y. Unvoiced consonants are P, F, K, T, Š, S, Ç, H, Ş, C. Why do we need to know this? We need to know how to distinguish between voiced and unvoiced consonants to add correct ending to a word. For example, while creating plural forms of nouns or making questions. The basic rule is if the word ends with an unvoiced consonant, the ending that you add should begin with an unvoiced consonant as well. For example, al student. It ends with t, unvoiced consonant. Alar studentter. Therefore, we add ter, which starts from unvoiced consonant as well. If the word ends with voiced consonant, the ending that you add should begin with a voiced consonant as well. Al mugallim. Alar mugallimder. Here we use the ending der as it ends with voiced consonant instead of putting ter. Now we will discuss the law of harmony that regulates the use of vowels. Please look at this example. Siz aydochusuz. Because the word driver aydochu ends in a vowel u, the personal ending suz also contain the vowel u. The law of harmony helps us to identify the right vowels that we need to put in the word. The vowel in the first syllable determines the remaining vowels. If the first syllable has a hard vowels a, o, u, the rest of the vowels will be hard. And if the first syllable has soft vowels e, ye, I, u, then the rest will be the soft as well. In the Kyrgyz language, the vowels go in the following order. A, I, salam, tarak, kızıl, ayıl, tarih, bıçak. E, ye, I, ece, kelecek, eşik, tereze. Ö, ü, köçö, ömür, ölkö, kürüç, cürök, gümüş. O, comok, doğuluk, otur, coruk. U, bulut, uşak, kulak, uruk. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. In the next video, we will talk about plural forms. See you in the next video. Жақсы барыңыз!